Babe, what are you doing?
I made
Sandwich. So what was inside this one already?
cheese.
Chip. You're making sandwich.
Yeah, we eat on the way.
It's on the way.
Two guys eat on the way. We go out to walk.
Wow.
And this one for you.
Wait, this one for me.
Yeah, for you. I have a chili.
This one for you yourself. Wait, this one have chicken.
Chili.
Chili.
Only egg and cook.
So sandwich. This is our breakfast after gym. After gym. Eh? So this is mine, this is yours. You're hungry, nigga. Baby, yo. You carry, baby, you carry sandwich. So we are taking sandwich to the work, to office.
My
Homemade sandwich from my Boramai. Of course, I'm a Cambodian woman. I have to eat my breakfast in the car. Of course.
for you.
For me, this one have chili.
Better?
Go.
No, have
Of course,
water.
I'm a Cambodian woman. I have to eat my sandwich breakfast in the car. We are rushing to work.
Show me you do.
Sandwich. Homemade. Boramai.